Did you know that more than half of your workday is spent just organizing your task and calendar? Imagine what you could do if you got that time back. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Reclaim AI to automate scheduling and take control of your productivity. To get started, first go to your preferred web browser and type Reclaim AI in the search bar. Now, click on the first result that you get. Here, you will find two options that you can use to sign up. You can use your Google account or sign up with Outlook. Here I am choosing my Google account. Now, click on your preferred Google account. Then click on Continue. Then click on Continue after this interface opens. Now, select what Reclaim AI can access and then click on Continue. Then connect to your personal calendar. Then select what brings you to Reclaim. Then describe what describes you the best. Now, select your department. Now, select what brings you to Reclaim. And click on Continue. Then set up some habits and click on Continue. Now, auto schedule buffer time. Then click on Continue. Now, sync your calendar. Choose one source calendar and one destination calendar. Then, click on Continue. You can create a team or skip it. After clicking on Finish, you have your Reclaim profile. You can connect your calendar to your Reclaim profile. Navigate to the calendar sync on the left sidebar. Now, connect your Google Calendar. Or you can check if there is something that you can connect. To create your first task, select the Planner option on the left sidebar. Now, click on the New Task option. Now, type in your task name and check if the duration and the scheduling time is correct. Then, click on Create. Now, to set up Smart Meetings, go to the Smart Meetings section. Then click on New Smart Meeting. Input the meeting name, duration, and participant details. Choose preferences like recurring meetings, buffer times, and ideal time slots. Now, Reclaim AI will intelligently schedule it to avoid conflicts. To automate recurring activities, click on the Habit section. To add a new habit, click on the New Habit. Now, create some daily activities such as daily readings, gym, etc. Select preferred time slots and flexibility. And Reclaim will ensure these activities fit seamlessly to your schedule. Check your Reclaim AI generated schedule in Google Calendar. Drag and drop events if needed. And you can see the insights by clicking on the Analyze tab. And you can analyze your focus time and many more. And that's how you use Reclaim AI to streamline your schedule, boost productivity, and get more done with less effort. I hope now you know how to use Reclaim AI to get the most out of it. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.